Hello, I'm Stellenjoy. I'm presenting my database lab experiment 3. Moving to the questions. First question: display the average order quantity for every order and every product. We use select the average aggregate function and the order quantity that needs for which we need the average from the table order line, and we group it by product ID and order ID. This is our result. Next question: display the date on which the latest order was placed. To get that, we use select order date from the table order 1. We order by the column order date using DESC, that is to give the values in descending order. So here the first value will give us the latest order placed, the date on which the latest order was placed. Yeah. So third question: display the name of the supplier who has the average rating more than 2. For that, we select the name rating from the supplier and we use group by the name and rating having the average rating greater than 2. So here we use average to get the average of the values in the column rating, and the entire thing should be greater than 2. Yeah, so we have the value here. Second question is which order ID has the total order quantity greater than 10. We use select order ID and order quantity from the table order line where order quantity is greater than 10. So here we got the following values. Next is find out the number of orders placed on each date. You select sname rating from the table supplier and we group it by the name and rating. Again, we calculate the average rating less than 4. So the average of all the values of rating should be less than 4. Here we have our result. Next is find out how many products are ordered in each order. So to get that, we use select product ID order quantity from the table order line and group it by product ID and order quantity. Again, we use the having an average function of the order quantity, and the whole value should be less than 10,000. So here we have a value grouped by product ID and order quantity. Yeah, so the next question is solve the table order based on the order date. So according to the order date, we need to sort it. So we select asterisk, so we get all the values from order 1, that is the table name, and use order by, and we give the column name, that is order date. So here we have all our orders in ascending order of the dates they had been ordered. Next question is to display the names of all customers in uppercase. To do that, we use the upper function. Inside upper function, we give the column name, so we got all the values in uppercase. Next is prefix the postal code with 2 zeros. For this, we use the update function, and inside that we use the concatenate function. Concatenate helps us to concatenate the value we add to the column we specify or any other value we specify. So here 00 will be prefixed to all the values in the column postal code. Next question being display the substring Newman from Richard Newman. For that, we select the substring. We use the function substr, and inside that we first specify a string, and then we give the position of the beginning of our substring, that is 9 in this case, which is n, and then 6 here is the number of characters in our substring. So we get Newman here as our result. Next question, we will display the name of the customer that ends with E. For this, we use select the customer name from the table customer, where customer name we use like and %e. Percentage here denotes there can be any set of strings before E, and a string should end with the character E. So our result is here John Doe and Joe, which ends with E. That's it. Thank you.